Hello and a very warm welcome. I am Ruchi Sharma. Bitwise has filed for a new ETF tied to Hyperliquid, a perpetual futures protocol and blockchain token. According to Thursday's filing, the Bitwise Hyperliquid ETF would directly hold Hype tokens, which are used for discounts on its DEX and as blockchain fees. The filing omits details like exchange, ticker, and fees. The move comes as competition in perpetual DEXs intensifies, with rival Aster recently surpassing Hyperliquid in trading volume and open interest. The ETF will also offer in-kind redemptions, allowing investors to swap shares for Hype tokens. Hashdex has expanded its crypto index US ETF to include XRP, Solana, and Stellar following SEC's generic listing rule change. The Nasdaq-listed fund, now trading under ticker NCIQ, also holds Bitcoin and Ether. The new standards approved in September simplify ETF approvals for eligible cryptocurrencies classified as commodities or listed via futures contracts. Analysts expect a surge in ETF filings under this streamlined process. Hashdex's expansion builds on the SEC's earlier approval of Grayscale's multi-asset fund as US markets gradually integrate digital assets with traditional finance. M2 Capital, the investment arm of UAE-based M2 Holdings, has invested $20 million in ENA, the governance token of Ethena. The Ethereum-based protocol issues synthetic dollars backed by crypto collateral and delta-neutral hedging strategies. Ethena currently has nearly $14.5 billion in total value locked, with over $666 million in fees generated. M2 plans to integrate Ethena products through its affiliate M2 Global Wealth. Ethena also offers yield-bearing SUSDE, currently paying 6% APY, down from its 2024 peak of 19%, and has attracted over 811,000 users. SharpLink Gaming has announced plans to tokenize its equity directly on Ethereum in collaboration with Superstate, which will act as its digital transfer agent. The firm's equity tokens will be issued via Superstate's opening bell platform designed for SEC-registered shares on blockchain. Unlike offshore tokenized stocks, SharpLink's equity will legally mirror traditional shares while being wallet-compatible and potentially tradable on decentralized markets. The move comes as tokenization gains traction globally, with firms like Robinhood, Kraken, and Ondo Finance exploring blockchain-based equity issuance. Citi has raised its stablecoin market forecast, now projecting issuance to reach $1.9 trillion by 2030 in its base case and $4 trillion in a bull case. Current issuance has grown from $200 billion at the start of 2025 to $280 billion. The bank said stablecoins could support up to $100 trillion in annual transaction, or double in a bullish scenario. Still, Citi noted bank tokens may see even higher turnover as corporates seek real-time settlement, compliance, and regulatory safeguards alongside stablecoins and CBDCs. PayPal has partnered with DeFi platform Spark to expand PYUSD liquidity from $100 million to $1 billion. PYUSD, issued by Paxos and pegged to the US dollar, is now integrated into Sparkland, enabling users to supply and borrow it. Supported by Spark's $8 billion stablecoin pool, the initiative offers predictable depth at set borrowing costs instead of costly market maker incentives. Spark CEO Sam McPherson said the collaboration shows how fintechs can scale stablecoins via DeFi. Global stablecoin supply has risen $30 billion recently to $263 billion. Bitcoin miner TeraWulf is raising $3 billion with Morgan Stanley to build new data centers supported by Google. CFO Patrick Fleury said the deal, expected as soon as October, could involve high-yield bonds or leveraged loans. Google has pledged an additional $1.4 billion backstop, bringing support to $3.2 billion. The AI-driven data center boom has created shortages in infrastructure and power, areas where crypto miners like TeraWulf have advantages. In August, TeraWulf secured a $3.7 billion lease with AI provider FluidStack, also backed by Google. AlphaTON, a Nasdaq-listed firm focused on Telegram's ecosystem, has purchased $30 million in Toncoin as part of its new treasury strategy. The buy follows a $71 million fundraising round, including a $36.2 million private placement and a $35 million loan via Bitco Prime. CEO Brittany Kaser said the move provides exposure to Telegram's billion-user network. The firm plans to expand reserves to $100 million by end 2025 and aims to lead in staking, validation, and ecosystem development after rebranding from Portage Biotech to AlphaTON. China has launched a Digital Yuan Operations Center in Shanghai to boost its central bank digital currency strategy. The hub will oversee cross-border payment networks, blockchain services, and digital asset platforms, according to state media. Governor Pan Gongshen emphasized the project's role in advancing the yuan globally. The move aligns with Beijing's push to reduce reliance on the US dollar and promote a multipolar financial system. While China banned crypto trading and mining in 2021, officials are now showing more openness towards digital finance innovation. Crypto exchange Kraken has completed a $500 million fundraising at a $15 billion valuation, setting the stage for a potential 2026 IPO. The round had no lead investor, instead drawing participation from multiple firms, with co-CEO Arjun Sethi and his firm Tribe Capital also investing. Kraken says there is no rush for its listing as it focuses on acquisitions to strengthen operations. The exchange is now positioning itself for expansion in payments and blockchain adoption, while keeping IPO plans flexible for market conditions. Well, that's all in this bulletin for now. This is Ruchi Sharma signing off. Keep watching 3.0 TV.